TrueGrid is an eco-friendly paving alternative to concrete and asphalt. It's 100% permeable, so it lets the water drain through, and it's made from recycled plastic.
We were looking at several solutions for the backyard. We had thought about maybe some concrete, but once we had a look at TrueGrid, it was pretty much a done deal. It's really nice to have something in there that not only looks good, but something that we can feel good about as well.
One of the reasons I got into this is keeping plastics out of landfills and oceans, because we use 100% post-consumer recycled high-density polyethylene made in the USA. So it will last as long and longer than concrete, certainly longer than asphalt, and is virtually maintenance-free. So it's filled with gravel, or you can grow grass through it. So it's a natural surface, but it's going to last 30, 40, 50, 60 years, depending on your use.
So the TrueGrid product comes in 2 by 2 foot sections, and they're really easy to install. They basically just snap into one another.
Yeah, it goes in easy. The design is so, I've been kind of a Lego freak my whole life, so it really snaps together as easy as Legos. So you can lay 1,000 square feet per man hour, so it goes really quick, very easy to put down, and DIY parties are great too, because it's really easy to use. There's not a lot of learning curve on it, it just goes right together intuitively.
For a job like this, you're going to go ahead and excavate 4 to 6 inches. After that, you're going to lay down a filter fabric. We used an 8-ounce filter fabric for this job. Then you'll bring in a number 57 stone, which is a crushed 1-inch limestone. After we install the number 57 stone, we use a hand compactor to level and compact the limestone down to provide a level surface to install the TrueGrid product. And what's nice about the TrueGrid product is you're able to work around roots and the landscape of the land really well.
You can save a tree. You don't have to cut the tree down to build a parking lot. Now you can build around the roots and the water gets to the roots, or get bushes. So it's very easy to cut, but we need the right product to cut it. So a lot of the contractors we work with use Sawblade.com.
Yeah, we use Sawblade.com. They ship directly to you. They give you a really smooth cut, and they have a really high quality blade.
It's a factory direct model like we are, shipped directly to your job site, which we do as well. So it's very complementary to what we do. The product's great, they're a great company, and we're really pleased to be associated with them.
Just seeing the finished product, it's really, truly incredible. It was a really fast process. So they came in on a Friday, and then Saturday morning they started the work, and everything was done by the afternoon. So it was a really quick, convenient process.
Our mission is all about small actions equal big changes. So, there's 74 million households in the United States, thereabouts. But a small percentage of that use recycled plastic in their TrueGrid to help their problems, whether it's a wet yard, a shed base, or extra parking for the new teenager and the family who's got a car. Think of the impact. It's within everybody's power to do that, because this is an easy thing to use. It's going to save you money, and you're doing the right thing. So that's really the mission.